that's what we're going to do tonight. It's called
Stronger Than Lies. The only truth I know is the look in your eye. Just like a car crash, just like a knife. My favorite weapon is the look in your eye. I'm chewing on glass and I'm eating my fingers. I'm not the one who's run out of lies. I'm shaving my beard and I'm eating beef jerky. I lost my soul to the look in your eyes. George W. Bush has pasty white thighs. Mama, oh mama, don't let me get a stigmata. Mama, oh mama, don't want one of them stigmatas. Stigmata, stigmata.